CBSE NCERT Solutions Chapter number 4 Quadratic Equations Exercise 4.4 Problem number 4. The problem is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The situation is the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So let's go through solution. So we can start from let age of first friend, that's the present age I'm supposing, equal to x years, and let age of second friend equal to 20 minus x years, because it's given to us that the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. That's why I can suppose age of first friend is x years and the age of second friend is 20 minus x years. Now the 4 years ago, age of first friend would be x minus 4 years, and 4 years ago age of second friend would be equal to 20 minus x minus 4, and it's equal to 16 minus x years. Now it is given to us that 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. So we can write x minus 4 times 16 minus x equal to 48, because it's given to us 4 years ago the product of their ages was 48. Now let's multiply both of these. X times 16 is 16x, and minus 4 times 16 is minus 64, and minus 4 and x times minus x is minus x squared, and minus 4 times minus x is plus 4x, and it's equal to 48. Now I just need to shuffle terms. I can take all these terms to the right hand side, so I would write x square would go to the side, and minus x square would go to the side, and it would become plus x square, and this 4x and 16x would also go to other side. They will become minus 16x and minus 4x, and this minus 64 will go to the other side and it will become plus 64, and this 48 will remain as it is, and all things would be equal to 0. Now I can say x square minus 16x minus 4x is minus 20x plus 64 plus 48, it's 112, equal to 0. So I need to find the nature of roots of this quadratic equation now. Now if discriminant comes up greater than or equal to 0, then the roots will be real. That we know that the roots are real if discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. So if this situation comes up, then we will say that yes, this situation is possible. But if discriminant comes less than 0, then we have no real roots. Then we would say that this given situation is not possible. So let's find the discriminant of this quadratic equation, and in order to find the discriminant, we compare this given quadratic equation with the general quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. And when we compare this, we get a equal to 1 because it's 1 here automatically, and b is equal to minus 20 and c equal to 112, and discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac, and value of b is minus 20, so it's square here because it's square here, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 112, and minus 20 square is 400, minus 112 times 4, it's 448, and 400 minus and 400 minus 448 is minus 48. So we are getting here value of discriminant in negative, and it is less than 0. And according to this situation, we have no real roots. This is the rule. If discriminant comes up less than 0, then we have no real roots for given quadratic equation. So we have no real roots for this equation. That's why this given situation is not possible. So we say that no. The answer to the problem is no. Given situation is not possible. So that's about problem number 4. In the next video, I'll be covering chapter number 4, quadratic equations, exercise 4.4, problem number 5. See you guys.